Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Eclipse with a workspace open. This matters because views appear per perspective. First, choose the Java or relevant perspective via Window Perspective Open Perspective. That ensures Project Explorer and Package Explorer are available. If you prefer speed, press Ctrl+3 and type Open Perspective, or Show View to jump straight. Once done, make sure the IDE has finished background builds so the Explorer populates correctly and you won't miss projects when we add the view next. You now bring the Package Explorer into view. Go to Window Show View Other, then expand the Java folder and select Package Explorer. Click OK. This explicitly loads that view even if the Project Explorer is active. Once visible, dock it on the left or resize to suit your workflow. Docking keeps it available across perspectives. If you want faster access later, right-click the Package Explorer tab and choose Fast View, or add its shortcut to Perspectives so you avoid repeating these steps. To finalize, position files and confirm packages display hierarchies and source folders correctly. You should see package names, not file paths. If the Explorer is missing or empty, reset the perspective via Window Perspective Reset. That often restores default views. Make sure background build's completed. Otherwise, refresh the project. Trouble tip: if the view still fails, restart Eclipse with a clean workspace or check the error log for plugin conflicts, because corrupted workspaces or faulty plugins commonly hide views.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.